Spotting a gas leak with a soap test is simple. Look for small, glistening bubbles that form and grow at the leak point, or larger, steady bubbles blowing directly from a joint. Both are clear signs of escaping natural gas or liquefied petroleum propane. When you perform a pressure test and finish applying a soap solution, first watch the whole fitting for at least 5 minutes while keeping the pressure steady. Tiny leaks often start as a slow bead of clear, glistening bubbles that expand and travel outward along the pipe surface, so scan slowly and at eye level. Use a soft bristled brush or spray bottle to apply a soapy mix of 1 part dish soap to 4 parts water. Thicker solutions cling and make small leaks easier to see. If the bubble forms and then shears off into a little moving bubble, it usually indicates a hairline leak in the tubing or a pinhole. If you see a steady, large bubble blowing at a joint, that points to a sealing failure at the connection or a loose fitting. Mark the exact spot with a non-permanent marker, then reduce pressure and tighten the fitting 1/4 turn at a time or reapply approved thread sealant, retesting after each adjustment. For buried or concealed piping, look for a string of intermittent bubbles along the run, which suggests corrosion or multiple microleaks. Excavate only after you confirm movement and recheck the segment under pressure. Photograph the bubbling patterns and note the pressure reading and timestamp. That documentation speeds up permitting, warranty claims, or contractor estimates. Always ventilate the area, shut off the gas at the cylinder or meter, and never use open flames or electrical switches while testing. Use only intrinsically safe lighting if needed. If bubbles persist after tightening and resealing, isolate the section and replace the defective component. Do not rely on temporary fixes for natural gas or liquefied petroleum propane. One of the top 3 common mistakes is using a too thin soap mix that forms no lasting film, causing false negatives. Fix it by mixing 1 part dish soap to 4 parts water and agitating to create a clingy solution, then reapply. One of the top 3 common issues is misreading condensation or humidity as bubbles near outdoor lines. Fix it by waiting for stable ambient conditions, wiping the surface dry before testing, and watching for bubble motion or growth rather than static droplets. One of the top 3 errors is testing under fluctuating pressure, which hides slow leaks. Fix it by stabilizing the test pressure with a calibrated gauge, monitoring for at least 5 minutes, and documenting pressure decay rates together with visual bubble evidence. BigHomeProjects.com is a searchable directory that helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who are experienced with pressure testing natural gas and liquefied petroleum propane lines and leak repair. We also give contractors a platform to get verified leads and showcase their safety credentials so homeowners can hire confidently.